Good morning, Chris Johnson with Rivertown Pro Wash. Got a question for you. So I'm gonna turn you around. I'm gonna show you this house. So there was a wasp nest up there. We got it down. And you'll notice there's a second floor balcony here. And on the side of the house, around the side, there's a actual part of the roof that comes out where you actually can't reach the gable end of the roof. And so my question is to everybody that's claiming they're professionals and they're in the exterior cleaning business, whether you're soft washing, pressure washing, it really is irrelevant to me. But if you're riding around in your trucks and your trailers and you don't have a ladder on your truck, how would you clean this house and tell the homeowner you did a good job? The reason I make this video is because not too long ago, I was washing a house and a competitor, not going to tell you who it was, come up beside me and started washing the house right beside me. And literally, I watched them not wash the whole second floor over the gable end of the brick house. The first floor come out lower and then the second floor was above it. Didn't touch it, couldn't touch it, didn't have a ladder. Washed the house and left. And so if that's the kind of work you're doing, I wouldn't call you a professional. I'd call you a chuck in a truck. I don't care how big you are, I don't care how big your name is. You're doing a disservice to the customers, you're doing a disservice to the industry, and you are not serving people. You're serving your own wallet, and you'll never be successful that way. So guys, if you can do it without a ladder, let all of us that tote ladders, let us know how you're doing it, because it's impossible. Hey, from Rivertown Pro Wash, y'all have a great day, and hope I didn't hair lip you too much. Just wanted to vent a little bit.